This is a little bit of framing I did today for a small addition to my machine shop. I wanted to get the outer truss and the outer sheeting painted and assembled, and I got some lookouts assembled for the fascia board. And actually I can lift this still by myself. I'll probably get my brother to help me. But this is kind of what it looks like. And it's going to be an addition on this little machine shop. And here's the rest of the trusses. I got them covered up a little bit. They're already made. Oh, they're just 2x4 trusses with some plywood gussets. Nothing fancy. The addition isn't very big. It's going to go on the back here. I got all the walls built. There's just 3 of them. They're laid down under here, and that brown part underneath it is the deck they're going to be assembled on. And the roof line is not going to be steep like this one. I think, if I recall, maybe this one was 6.5 pitch. The addition's going to be 4.12 pitch. It's going to have the same overhang, 10 inches on the rakes, and the same overhang on the eaves, just a few inches. And so I'm trying to match this other building. This is a little building I built for my wife. Well, we actually built both buildings 2 years ago. I built this one. It's a storage shed for her. And it was built in the same color, a little bit the same style to match this one. So that's done. Well, thanks everybody for watching. Bye.